Hi guys, Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today we're going to be making a beard oil using our straight up Savage fragrance oil. Let's whip it up. Okay, so today we're going to be working with 4 different carrier oils in our beard oil recipe. The first one is the Argan Oil. Argan Oil is going to help prevent any kind of damage to the hair. It's also really going to protect it and promote hair growth. Jojoba Oil is super moisturizing and is really, really great for preventing oil buildup in the beard. Next, we have our Sesame Seed Oil. Sesame Seed Oil is a great antifungal and antibacterial oil. Then we have the Sweet Almond Oil. Sweet Almond Oil is really going to help to give the beard a shine and a fullness. So in addition, we're using vitamin E oil, which of course is an antioxidant. And then we have our fragrance oil. The fragrance oil that we're using today is straight up Savage. It's a really strong masculine scent. Highly, highly recommend this one. So this is really just a simple recipe. All we're going to do is mix the oils together, and once we have everything mixed together, we're going to just pour it into a bottle. All right, there you have it. Creating your own beard oil is really that simple. I am going to put the recipe in the description, but also make sure that you check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com and make sure that you subscribe and like the video, comment below. Until next time, we will see you later. Bye guys.